Something breaks, and in that moment, two versions of you appear. One version freezes while the other becomes curious. The real question is which one you have been training. You have seen this happen in everyday situations. Something goes wrong and your thoughts start racing quickly. Someone else in the same moment becomes calm and observant. They pause and look at the situation instead of reacting fast. You start thinking, what if I make it worse or fail? That hesitation builds and you step back without noticing it. Over time, you begin assigning roles without saying it out loud. They handle problems while you wait for things to be solved. This pattern feels normal because it repeats often enough. The truth is, this is not about intelligence or natural ability. It comes from a specific belief that your actions can change outcomes. Psychologists call this self-efficacy, which is highly situational. It means you believe effort will actually influence what happens next. This belief is built through small, personal experiences over time. Each time something works, your brain records that moment quietly. Problems then start feeling less threatening and more like systems. Another concept explains this pattern even further in depth. It is called locus of control, which defines how you see outcomes. Some people see results as something they influence directly. Others see results as something that simply happens to them. This difference decides whether you engage or withdraw in hard moments. If you often step back, there's usually a learned reason behind it. Your past experiences taught you that effort does not change much. Maybe your attempts were corrected or taken over too quickly. Maybe failure carried more weight than trying something new. Over time, hesitation became the safer and more logical response. There is another pattern that looks strong but has a hidden cost. Some people fix everything quickly but cannot tolerate uncertainty. For them, an unsolved problem feels deeply uncomfortable inside. Both freezing and over-fixing come from the same discomfort. The discomfort is not knowing what will happen next. The people who handle things well are not fearless at all. They are simply more comfortable staying inside uncertainty. They do not rush to escape that uncomfortable space immediately. Instead, they stay present and observe what can be done next. That ability to stay is what separates their behavior. Change does not come from suddenly becoming confident overnight. It starts with small moments where you choose not to step back. You stay slightly longer than you usually would in discomfort. That small shift begins changing how your brain responds over time. You are not fixing everything at once, and that is not required. You are just breaking the pattern of leaving too early. Each time you stay, you create a new internal reference. Slowly, you stop reinforcing the identity you believed before. Without realizing it, you begin building a different response system. That is where real change actually begins,